Hey guys, what do you think? I do other stuff besides work in my shop. Ooh, what a view. Nice view. Oh yeah, look at now. I'm getting a house done. Show you around. Show you around. Cabinets are in. My buddy, he's a good installer of cabinets and trim work and whatnot. I'm doing the wiring, the brick and lights, blah blah blah. And so this is some of my other side hobby. You guys keep, it's not a hobby. It's like I need to do stuff to make money other than working in the shop because the shop don't, whatever. The logging just sucks. So this is coming up for sale in a week or two. Anybody want to buy it? Anybody want to buy it? On Golden Pond. So this is where I disappeared to sometimes, or for the last year and a half, I've been putzing over here. It's just taken a lot of time to make this project happen. So it's been totally gutted and remodeled, this house. And we're finishing things up. I just thought I'd show you some of my other hobbies. All my hobbies are work. Yeah, I just got done with this room, doing all the replacing the outlets and stuff. And yeah, so I don't know what the hell else to tell you other than, you know, that's something else I've been doing. I actually bought this place to live in it for when I go out to pasture, as some guy told me on a video a couple days ago. Yeah, got a nice garage. Big garage. There's the stove that's going in, and we finished it too. It's finished and heated and super insulated door and all that stuff. So I hope you guys are doing good. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna shoot another video of something at the shop. And the guys don't like to be on camera much anymore. Troy had he had twins. His wife did a couple weeks ago, and Kyle was out of state working on a project that maybe I'll share with you someday. Had a good time last week. Worked his butt off, drove 800 miles to go do a welding job. So, like I said, this is something else I'm doing. All right, hope you guys are doing good out there. And enjoy. Have a great day. See you, bye.